Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change picture mode on your LG Smart TV. From the home screen of your device, navigate to the sidebar on the left and select the gear icon to open Quick Settings menu. In this menu, navigate to Picture Mode tile and press the middle D-pad key or the OK button to select this option. Then you can use right and left arrow keys to switch between picture modes. Sometimes you will have to press middle button to accept the picture mode changing, as it will require more power, for example. And we have many different modes here, like Filmmaker, Expert mode, Vivid, Standard, Basic, Cinema, Sports, etc. And you can also go into the advanced settings by selecting the respective option at the bottom right here. And there you'll be able to change more advanced picture settings on your TV. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.